everybody, and welcome to Your Florida Life. Today I'm really excited because I get to share with you a home that's on the market in the Villages. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the village of Caroline. This is a really sought-after village. It's not one that's going to stay on the market for very long. So if you find yourself interested in wanting to learn more about it, you don't want to hesitate. We're going to check out the inside and the outside of this beautiful home so that you can decide for yourself whether or not this might be the home for you to start your Florida life. Let's get going. All right, so the address here is 501 Cokesbury Drive. It is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home sitting in the village of Caroline. It is listed for just $574,247 by the 24/7 team with NextHome Sally Love Real Estate. The landscaping is absolutely gorgeous. All the palm trees you expect with a nice Florida property, right? Sitting on a nice sized lot. We'll take you down the side here. Got a nice little retaining wall over here. Everything's in great shape. I do know that there is going to be a new roof on the house, so you're not going to have to worry about that. It'll have a brand new roof on it. And down the side here, you can see more of the landscaping. Siding's all in great shape. Everything's trimmed up beautifully. And as you come around the back, you can already hear it probably. You hear the fountain. There's your Lanai, your screened-in Lanai. The backyard is just gorgeous. All kinds of great privacy, beautiful shrubbery. There's the fountain. The other thing that's really nice is that this area in the back, never going to have any houses on it. So you're going to have this view all the time. What a view to have, right? And you get to have that view sitting out on your screened-in Lanai and just enjoy an absolutely gorgeous view. Nice and serene, very private. Everything is in phenomenal condition, very well maintained. Go down the other side here, there's your air conditioning unit. Continuing with the gorgeous shrubbery and everything is just placed perfectly. And the driveway is even beautiful. Very elegant. So as beautiful as this home is on the outside, it's even prettier inside. I can't wait to show you just how pretty it is in there. As we make our way into the front door, though, on our way into the house, I want you to notice they've got a great little sitting area out here that you can sit here, enjoy a nice morning beverage, and get a great view of the neighborhood, which is also a really nice view. And has a little bit of privacy because you got the walls on both sides. All right, so let's go ahead and head on in. So as we walk in, what you're going to notice right off the bat is how you get to see straight through the beautiful glass doors out to the Lanai, the screened-in Lanai with the fountain out there. Absolutely gorgeous. To the left, we have an eat-in kitchen. And to the right, we have the 2 guest bedrooms. And what's really cool here is these are actually separatable from the rest of the house here with a pocket door, so your guests can actually get some real nice privacy back in this area. You got 1 bedroom to the left once you walk through there. You come over here, this closet is just huge. Back, get you a good look at that. The flooring in here is beautiful. And they've used this flooring throughout the bedrooms. Anywhere that there's not tile, which you're going to see there's tile here in the kitchen, the bathrooms. Speaking of the bathrooms, there's the first bathroom. Very, very nice. Got beautiful tile work back here along the edge here. Just a really nice custom look. Nice vanity. And then we come over into the 3rd bedroom. Now, the thing that's interesting about this particular bedroom is that they have it set up right now as sort of a den. You could, of course, put your own hide-a-bed in here. You can put one of those Murphy bed, wall bed sort of things in here if you wanted to. It does not have a closet. It's listed as a third bedroom with no closet. All right, we're gonna come over this way. So I'm gonna get you a look at the kitchen. Beautiful white cabinetry. The lighting is very nice. You've got solid counters. It's a solid surface. You're hooked up to be able to have a TV here. So you got your cable right there and electric. Side-by-side refrigerator with the convenience drawer and the freezer. You do have something that's a little unusual here in the Villages, and that is a gas stove. Yeah, you can just imagine working in the kitchen here, getting ready for, having some fun, and just looking out and seeing this every single day as a part of your Florida life. That's what it's all about. Come over here into the main living space, and it's just for wayfinding. That's where we came in. You have the bedrooms over there. You got the kitchen, eating kitchen over here. And you come into the main living space. You got beautiful floors. And you got shutters, these plantation shutters on the windows. The other really nice thing about this house is most of the furniture comes with it. The specifics on exactly what comes with the sale of the home, we can definitely provide that to you. You just reach out to us and we'll let you know everything that's included. But most of what you see is included with a few exceptions. Again, with the beautiful flooring, this is a huge room. It has the slider that goes out to the lanai, so you have direct access from the master to that. You've got a nice decorative shelf up here. Nice big room, vaulted ceilings. Ceiling fan. There's the walkway back to the restroom, the shower, and it's flanked by closets. Both of these closets have pocket doors. I love pocket doors. It's one of my favorite things. Just save so much space, make it so much easier to create nice large closets, and it just don't take up any of your usable space for storage. And the flooring continues into the closets, which is very nice. You've got your linen closet right here. We're gonna go this way. We've got another pocket door right here that allows for separation, so you can take a shower, do your business on the toilet, and be completely private about it. Out here, you've got the double sinks, you've got a vanity, all nice, just lots of storage drawers. These drawers are all usable, going on each side of the sink. Lots of storage underneath. In addition to what you've got over here as far as the linen closet is concerned, you've got huge mirrors, lots of lighting. You got natural light coming in like crazy. They come back out here to the master. Yeah, imagine getting up every day and seeing this, going in and using that restroom, getting all refreshed for the day. And if you wanted, go ahead right out to your lanai, or come on out to your beautiful bright kitchen, get yourself some coffee or whatever your morning beverage is, and then head out to your lanai. That's what you call living your Florida life here in the Villages. Now let's go on out here. Now this lanai has these double sliders, and they're tinted. You can probably, I think you can tell that, but they are tinted. And they open up huge to give you that space so that you can actually, if you're entertaining, you can actually have a nice open area and lots of space for people. Come out here, there's the sliders that come off the master. You've got access here to get out into the backyard. And the backyard is so beautifully manicured. What a beautiful view. Lots of privacy. You've got two ceiling fans here to really help cool it off. And there's your view coming back into the house. Well, there you have it. There's the inside of this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath house here in the Villages. I will have all of my contact information listed down below. You can contact me directly to any of those. I will also have a link to the website just for this house, so you can actually see some of the pictures and some other great things and other information about the house.